Hello, my wonderful student. Good evening to you. Good morning, afternoon, whatever the time of the day that you listen to your lecture. How are you doing? I believe you have a wonderful night, and I believe you are keeping up with all the modalities put forward by the federal government. Today, we are going to look at the topic welding two. So, I want you to get set for the class. Now, today we are going to look at learning. The learning objectives is displayed on the screen for you, just for you to see. Okay. Then, first thing we are going to look at are the welding tools. Okay, welding tools. The first on the list is the auto darken welding helmet. Just it is good for your protections. Okay, your eyes, especially from the flashes of a wedding. Okay, then another one is a wedding apron, a long sleeve jacket, act as a protective for your bodies against any injury. Then we have wedding shoes, just to protect your feet, and gloves for protecting your hands. And these are the diagram for them. This wedding helmet, this apron. Okay. Then next is your wedding shoes. You can see there, wedding shoes and your gloves. Then the next is safety glasses. Okay, wedding helmet sometimes cover your faces, but if you want to have that extra sheet, okay, you can put on face safety glasses. Then your ear plug is meant to protect your ears against pains. When wedding, so many noises can spoil the eardrum, so you need to just protect your ears. Then you need a mask or a respirator because in the process, gases are emitted or released, and some foods can come out. They can affect your respiratory organs. That is why you need a mask or a respirator. And here on the screen, you have your safety glasses, your ear plug, respirator. You wear it, okay? Then we have some measuring tools that we also need to use in practice. These are tape measure, calipers, metal T square. You're familiar with this, so there's no need to waste much time on it. Then the diagram here is just tape measure, vernier caliper. Okay, then we have welding clamps. Welding clamps is meant to hold firmly the workpiece, okay, so that the work can be done undisturbed. Then we have welding magnets, okay, they are used to hold workpiece at different angles, could be 45, could be 90, 195, depending on the kind of work you want to do and the angle you want it to be. Then we have sheet metal gauge. Okay, sheet metal gauge just to take or taking the thickness of workpiece. Electrode is very important. Electrode is very important. Okay, you install your additives of the tools, and it is true that electric current comes, which releases much heat to weld whatever you need. Okay, this welding magnet. Look at it. Hold it. Here the workpiece at different angles. And these electrodes. Okay. Then we have angle grinder. Angle grinder can be used to remove dust, paint, or dirt from the workpiece before welding and to remove the slag that has built up after welding. So it can also be used for cutting metals. Okay, we have welding brush. That one is used for scraping off slag coating. While welding, there will be slag released as a result of the chemicals. All right, you use metal brush to remove them. Okay, and we have wire and electrode feet. Okay, in TIG, you get to know what TIG is. Okay, you use the wire feet since the electrode is not consumable. All right, now look at it, angle grinder. You might have seen this, and this is a metal brush. Let's move forward. Types of welding processes. Number one is gas metal arc. So gas metal arc, acronym GMAW, or metal inert gas MIG. So in case I'm using it in your test assessment, don't tell me you don't know what MIG is. Okay, you can get them here. Okay, in gas metal arc welding, it is type of welding procedure, okay, that uses shielding gas along the wire electrode. okay, which can heat up the two metals to be joined. And this method requires a constant high voltage, okay, and direct current power source for it to function effectively. And it is most applicable in the industrial sector. All right. So, and it has four primary methods of metal transfer, like globular, short circuiting, spray, and pulse spray. You can carry out more research on this to know more about them. Then this is just the machine. I know you must have seen it, so popular. Even we have one in the school. If you want to see, if you resume, you can see it. All right. Then we have gas turbine arc welding procedure. Okay, this is DTAW or TIG, no, TIG. So welding together thick sections. Take note of this keyword. The keyword here. You want to make sure you want to wear thick sections. That is stainless steel or non-ferrous metals. Okay, you have to make use of this method. Then it is also an arc welding process that uses a tungsten electrode to produce the weld. And nice, this process is much more time consuming than the other three and much more complex. Alright. Then look at the machine used for gas turbine arc welding. Alright. Then next here is a shielded metal arc welding. Shielded metal arc welding. So this type of welding is particularly used, okay, in a stick welding, and the stick uses an electric current, okay, and it forms the arc between the stick and the metal to be joined. And you know, in construction companies like steel structures, industrial fabrication to weld iron and steels, you find them more applicable. Then this is a schematic diagram of shielded metal arc welding. You can study them. You know. Then we have flux cord arc welding. Okay, this was developed as an alternative to sheet welding. The semi-automatic arc weld is often used in construction projects, so it has a very high speed and it's more portable. Okay, now let's look at what you've done on the screen. Very simple. You should be able to answer this. I want to see your answers to the questions. Please send it to me. Only if you always do this. Some don't do it, they don't care. Then I have assignments for you today. Go through this. Please, I want you to send it on Tuesday to me. If you cannot send it on Monday, send it on Tuesday. All right. Then I'm very grateful for having this next time with me. I believe that God is going to bless you. If you have any question regarding this, I am open, okay, to consultation. You can send mails to me. You can call me. I will attend to you. God bless you. I shall have a nice day. See you. Bye.